Hi, this is Robin from the Fuel Team. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use your Site Manager. This is the view from your dashboard. If you click on the left side over here, this will be the name of your website Site Manager. Click here, and underneath that with the pencil, there's an Edit Website. I'm going to click on that. It's opening up a new tab. And this is your Site Manager. This is what you'll use to edit and update your website. I'm going to go back to the dashboard right now and open up what we call the front end, which is actually your live website. It says website URL, and this will also be the name of your specific website. I'm going to click there. And right now, when you first start, it is actually hidden from the public. It's what we call on stage, and that's good, so that way you can work on it and get it exactly like you want it, and then we'll take off the password when it goes live for the public. The password is WebDriver. Click Submit. And so this is what we call the front end. As you can see, this is our demo site, so it has demo content, but this is the part you'll be able to edit, as well as sample images and graphics. So what we recommend is that you keep up your front end like this, and then go back to your Site Manager, and keep them up at the same time. This is how it correlates to your front end. The top navigation over here, customer login, newsletter, sign up, and media room. If we go back to the front end, correlates to customer login, newsletter, sign up, and media room. Back to the Site Manager. If I click here on this plus sign, it opens up the main navigation. On the left, Home, About Us, Products and Services, Events Calendar, and so on. That's called your main nav or main navigation. That correlates on the front end to these items right here: Home, About Us, Products and Services, Events Calendar, and so on. So if I click on About Us, if you notice what happens, we have what we call sub-nav items: mission, history, organizational bios. If I go back over to the Site Manager, that's the correlation. These are your sub-nav items: mission, history, organizational bios. So I'm going to click here on the home page. This correlates to the home page on your front end. And if I click on this edit pencil, this takes it into an edit mode. Right now we're on the Page Content tab, Edit Mode. I'm going to go into the Page Content. And I'm going to highlight right here, and then I'm just going to type right over it, "This is a test." I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. So as that's saving, I'm going to go to the front end, click on the home page, and what we just saved is right here. This is a test. That was in the content. So that's how easy it is to edit the content of your website. There are also different page types and attachments, additional page content items, and all of that will be explained in more detail in your training session. But as long as you know how this correlates to your front end, you're off to a really good start. If you have any questions, remember there's a support tab on your dashboard. Also, support@thefuelteam.com is our email. Thank you.